In my last video, some technical problems, I cannot completed the last part of the chemical properties of the alkene. So the last part is the allylic substitution of the alkenes. What is the allylic substitution? Already I have described something in my last video. That means the substitutions of the alkenes by halogens. What are the reaction? The reaction means here the alkenes when heated with either chlorine or bromine at a particular temperature, then the allylic hydrogen, one of the allylic hydrogen will replaced by an halogen. And what is the allylic position? Allylic position is the particular carbon position which carbon is adjacent to any of the unsaturated carbon atoms. Unsaturated carbon atoms means, see here, I have given the example for the propene. When propene reacts with the chlorine, it is converted to the allyl chloride. Okay. So here you must see it toward the unsaturated carbon atom because it are attached with the double bond. Clear? So if there are the two unsaturated carbon atom, so what will be the adjacent position? The adjacent position is this carbon atom, and it is definitely the allyl position. Okay, so here one hydrogen atom will replace by the one chlorine atom and allyl chloride has been formed. And what is the mechanism of this step? Here also three steps has been followed. First one, hopefully you have studied in the chlorination part or the halogenation part of the alkane. The same thing has been happened here. Chain intimation, chain propagation and chain termination. In first of the chain intimation, the chlorine has been broken into two atoms. One chlorine molecule converted to the two atoms. Okay. Next step is the chain propagation. What is the chain propagation? Chain propagation, in the first step, the chlorine reacts, the chlorine atom directly attacks to the alkenes. Okay, and forming one allyl radical. Okay. One allyl radical has been formed here. One allyl radical along with one hydrochloric acid. Clear? One HCl and one allyl radical has been formed, and this allyl radical in the next step, this allyl radical will be react to the chlorine atom. Okay, sorry, to the chlorine molecule. The allyl radical will react to the chlorine molecule and produces the allyl chloride and one chlorine atom again. One chlorine free radical or one chlorine atom again, and this chlorine atom again react to the step A. Okay, again react to the step A. So step A and step B are repeated again and again. Okay. Last step is the chain termination. Chain termination means, hopefully already I have described you at the study of the alkane, end of the reaction. How the end of the reaction can be happen? Number one, if the two chlorine atom reacts together and forming one chlorine molecule, then it will be to the ground state, not the excited state. Okay. Next step, if the chlorine radical has been reacted to the allyl radical, then the reaction will be come to an end. Okay. In the last step, if the two allyl radical has been react together, then it will be converted to the hex 1,5 diene. Okay, and it will be an end product. The reaction come to an end. Okay, this is the overall chemical properties of the alkene, and the very few parts are remaining. Okay, ethylene, propylene and diene. Okay, and in next class I will hopefully complete the full alkene. Okay, hope for the best, study well, and if you feel any doubt, you feel free to contact with me in our WhatsApp group. Okay, goodbye, take care students.